Hi, welcome to Pointerpro Report Builder. In this video, we will see how you can configure your Page widget. It is one of the basic widgets, and it appears the first one as it is the most essential when you build your PDF report, because all other widgets and content will be placed onto it. It's like your canvas. When you create your first PDF report, 3 pages will be added automatically. Your cover page, content page, and final page. You can easily navigate between all the pages in your PDF report by simply clicking on them in this menu. If you need to hide a certain page, you can also click this eye icon. To see more configuration, let's open the PDF report where we already added some content. Here we go. Here is the cover page of this PDF report. Let's click on the empty spot to highlight the whole page widget and go into settings. Here you will be able to find your widget ID, the name, the margins configuration. You can set a background color for your page, or as in this example, we added a background image. And here there are also additional configurations to make sure that your background image fits the best for your cover page. You can try to navigate between them and see what works best for you. Please note that the settings for cover page are different. Please note that configurations and settings for cover page are different than for the content page. Let's go to the next one, highlight it, and see what's the difference. Now we see that we have also rules. This is a conditional logic when a certain page should be shown or hidden based on certain criteria. And here we also have an estimate where page break would occur toggle. We always recommend putting this toggle on. What does it mean? Basically, when you add too much content on your page that it no longer would fit when you download your PDF report, Pointerpro will give you a warning, like this orange line that goes throughout your report. That means that this part of the content will no longer fit on the same page. So the recommendation is move this widget to an extra page to make sure that everything is printed in the best quality. Let's do this together. First, we go to Add Widgets, and we want to add extra page between these two. We simply drag and drop it, and the green line shows us where the page would occur. Now we see that there is an empty page. So what we do is we click on Text Widget, and we will use these 4 arrows to move our content to the next page. Here we go. Now, when we download our PDF, we are sure that all the content will fit perfectly. Well, now you're ready to add your first page widget. Try it yourself.